The biggest lie that I believe before about confidence is that inborn siya. Alam mo yung meron na siya, pinanganak na yung taong may confident. Ang mga tao hindi pinapanganak yun ng may confidence because confidence for me is built. Confidence for me is something na nabibuild mo over time, nabibuild mo through experience, through, alam mo yung ini-expose mo yung sarili mo sa isang bagay. That thing is the one that build confidence. Kagaya ko ngayon, I'm filming outside. This is my first time, sa totoo lang. And alam mo, nakakaya. Ayun, may mga tao dadaan dyan. You know guys, dadaan yung mga tao, dadaan sila, and then you will feel like sinasabi na sa'yo, may sinasabi sila. And ngayon, nahihiya ka mag-film. I'm very conscious about my surrounding right now. And normal yan because if you're starting out, ito so for me, it's something na na binibuild mo over time may dadaan, di ba? Nahihiya ako, nakakaramdam ako ng hiya internally and naramdaman ko yun sa puso ko. And right now, mahirap din pag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang. And this is where I felt that I have no confidence. Parang wala akong confidence ganyan, that I'm starting out, that I don't have any confidence doing the thing that I needed to do. Alam mo yun, yung pag-take ko nga ng video ngayon, parang feeling ko wala na akong confidence Because number one, hindi dahil wala akong confident dito sa bagay na to, it's because hindi pa ako sanay. Hindi ko pa na-build yung maximum, not maximum, but yung pinaka-momentum para gawin tong bagay na to. And it's also ganun din sa ibang bagay. For example, sa public speaking. People are great sa public speaking. It's because na-build na nila yung habits. Na-build na nila yung momentum para mag-public o mag-speak sa public. And that's why I believe that confidence isn't something na pinanganak na sa tao or kasama na pag pinanganak ng isang tao. I believe that confidence is something that is built through experience, through exposure doon sa bagay na sa una mahirap and it will definitely be hard. But by pushing through it, kahit na sobrang hirap, kahit na nakakahiya, pagpupush mo doon sa bagay na yun. And that's where you build confidence. Because confidence comes when preparation meets the opportunity. Ayun, nakita ko lang yun online pero maganda. Di ba? Confidence comes when preparation meets the opportunity. And right now, nahihiya ako. You're seeing it. Mabuti din document ko to. Nakikita nyo na nagdo-document ako na nahihiya ako mag-content sa public, sa daan. And ito nga, ngayon yung pinaka-purpose That's why we're doing it because we're trying to build confidence. Nasa una mahirap pa but eventually alam ko sa future magiging madali na lang to. And what I need to do is just continue to upload contents and to shoot in public hanggang sa masanay ako. And that is for day 3 of trying to improve my public speaking and communication skills for the next 100 days. See you on day 4. Peace guys. Bye bye. Boom.